Hi, I'm Nikki. Today we're going to be teaching in the whiteboard, on my smartboard, and a Newline display.
All right, I've got a whiteboard here.
All right. Let's get some units points.
I like that one.
Perfect.
Okay.
Let's try video. This one's good.
Oh, I like. An activity, let's go here.
Do this one.
Okay. Let's see, bananas, making change here. And that would be $1.68 for a bunch. $2. So let's make some change.
Okay, let's count that.
$1.69, $1.70, $1.75, and $2. All right, good job.
Okay, here, go back.
Download.
Yeah. Right here. Yeah, let's just make this full screen. Okay. I want to add it again.
Okay. Go.
There we go. Be a little bit bigger. All right, let's see if we can find YouTube video go along with this. Oh, here it is. Enter. Oh wait, there's no search? Enter YouTube. All right, whatever, let's forget about it.
Walk up to the top.
You want to add another page and we'll do a making change activity?
Sure.
Okay. We go in here. We already got some coins. And a quarter. Yeah, that's all we need.
All right. I guess we can spread a couple of them out here.
Alright, let's go ahead and clone these guys. Oh, whoop. You know what? Why don't you hit the other select, the top one?
Top one.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So if we had buying some bananas,
Change the ink.
change our pen. $1.68. Paying with $2. What would be our change?
Alright. Oh, do you want to turn that?
Let me
Yeah,
switch it back over. Clone.
clone. Okay. Alright.